Mark! How's it going? And it's Anna Reynolds, so I can get it on I can get us on WBAL! Somebody get drugs! WBAL is gonna go off.
The severe thunderstorm warning for the District of Columbia, Northwestern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, central Prince George's County in central Maryland, until 9:45 p.m. At 9:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Coral Hill, moving at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: isolated damaging wind gusts of up to 60 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Bowie, Clinton, College Park, Greenbelt, Langley Park, Beltsville, Forestville, Largo, Coral Hills, Bladensburg, National Harbor, Upper Marlboro, University of Maryland, National Park, FedEx Field, Howard University, Gallaudet University, Fort Totten, RFK Stadium, and Andrews Air Force Base. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
WBAL is gonna be it first, unfortunately.